In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy code from Lovable AI to V's code. By the end, you'll confidently move code from your Lovable project into your local editor without missing a beat. Start by opening the Lovable dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, look for the All Projects option. It's typically visible in the main navigation or sidebar. Click it to see everything you've built or been added to. This view makes it easy to find exactly what you need, especially if you're juggling multiple experiments or repos. Next, choose the specific project you want to work with. Clicking the project opens its overview, where you'll find different sections that describe what's inside. Head to the code area. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Code or Code Editor. This is where Lovable shows the project's files and lets you inspect their contents. Within the code view, select the file you want to bring into your local environment. When the file's content is visible, use the Copy File Content control. This button copies the entire contents of the open file to your clipboard in one click. No manual dragging or partial selection needed. If you don't immediately see the button, try hovering near the top of the editor. Many interfaces keep these actions tucked in the toolbar. After you click it, give it a brief moment for larger files to finish copying. Now switch to Visual Studio Code. With VS Code open, navigate to the place where this code should live and place your cursor in the target file. Paste the content directly into the editor. Keyboard shortcuts like Command+V on Mac OS or Control+V on Windows and Linux work great here, or you can use the Edit menu to paste. If you're pasting into an existing file, make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the content to start, so you don't overwrite something unintentionally. Take a quick glance at the syntax highlighting to confirm the language mode is recognized correctly. If the code looks oddly colored or unformatted, you can briefly toggle the language mode in the status bar so VS Code treats it as the correct file type. That helps extensions kick in for linting and formatting. Also, keep an eye on the Problems panel. If your workspace already has relevant extensions, they'll surface any quick issues right away. That's it, your code is now safely in VS Code, ready for editing, version control, and the rest of your workflow.